What's up guys, it's LeetCoder. This is LeetCode 104, maximum depth of binary tree. We're given a binary tree like this one and we have to return how many nodes reach the end of the tree. In this case, it would be 3 because we have this 3 here, which goes to this 20, and then it can go to either 15 or 7. So there are 3 nodes from the top all the way to the farthest leaf. This algorithm works really well with recursion, so let's do a recursive algorithm. So when we have a node, we want to return 1 plus the maximum depth of either the left side or the right side. So we return 1 plus the maximum of the max depth of the left side and the max depth of the right side. Now, what happens when we reach a leaf or a node that doesn't have a left side or a right side? We need to account for that case. So if not root, so if the root is not defined, we simply return 0. And that's it. In terms of time complexity, it's going to be O of n because we're simply going through and checking basically every node. In terms of space complexity, it's going to be O of n as well because we're putting the function call on the stack n times. And that's it. So if you found this video helpful, please give a like and a subscribe because it really helps the YouTube algorithm. And with that said, I'll see you next time.